When you're black is a big threat. Never seen nothing like this yet. Such a pretty brown skin. When you see my melanin, you better show some respect. They can't contain me, no. So they wanna come change me, no. It's a mental slavery, minimal bravery. Me not see the fix yet. So no, I won't lower my standards. So watch me fight for what's mine. Who